After I got whacked in the face by a piece of pipe held in the vise, I decided to fit a bearing between screw and vise jaw. Around 50% of applied torque is lost in friction between the screw head and the jaw body. Proof of concept works. Now to make a cover for the bearing. I chose a taper roller bearing as the vise jaw was not exactly flat and would deform a thrust bearing. The bearing is a squeak undersized the screw diameter. The inner race is widened using a carbide boring bar. This pin needs to be removed. It acts on a spring so there is no delay in the movable jaw when opening the vise. This spring needs to be replaced with a shorter one. I use a vise grip slide hammer combo to pull the pin out. And now it fits over the screw. The bearing cover was turned from some pipe and a piece of seamless tube that conveniently had a lip to cover the taper roller inner race. Here I am turning the OD of a section of water pipe. The bearing cover shall also serve to reinforce the bearing's outer race and prevent it from cracking. The water pipe ID was then turned to accept the other bit of pipe. Here I am turning the lipped tubing OD for a press fit in the other part. The parts were then pressed together. Finally the ID was bored to accept the bearing outer race. The bearing was greased for life. And this is how bearing and cover go together. The bearing was pressed into its cover. And the vise assembled. It now takes less force to secure the vise. The original spring was replaced by a shorter one. The retaining pin was installed. And my old trusty record got an upgrade after some 25 years in operation.